Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use KuCoin Trading Bot Voucher, updated. Open your KuCoin account, go to Rewards, redeem the voucher code, and activate the trading bot with your chosen strategy and capital allocation. Set risk parameters, select trading pairs, and start a small test run to verify settings. Monitor performance daily and adjust stop limits or leverage to protect gains and reduce drawdown. Always document changes and review voucher terms before large deployments. Redeeming is simple, and I'll walk you through each step with tips to avoid common mistakes. Navigate to Rewards, paste your voucher code, confirm redemption, and note expiration and usage limits. Choose which bot plan to apply the voucher toward, then allocate the voucher credit in the bot settings. Run a small live test, then review fees and performance metrics regularly to ensure the voucher boosts your trading efficiency and risk control. Quick recommendation: if this video helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, perfect for busy traders who want a tidy desk and hands-free cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a practical gift to save time between trades. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Fine-tune your bot by adjusting strategy, risk controls, and trade size to match your goals. Test momentum, grid, or DCA strategies on backtests and small live runs, then scale slowly. Use stop limits, trailing stops, and position size caps to limit losses, and set alerts for key thresholds. Keep a trading journal to review decisions and voucher impact weekly, and update settings when market volatility or pairs performance changes regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.